blowing out his wing.
That was good stuff. It's better than a Red Bull.
Let's see what you got.
Angel of Death Defense, flares that looks like angel with wings. What sounds more impressive? Jumping with a motocross over a flying plane, or flying a plane below a jumping motocross? Apes have been spotted flying drone at the Myrtle Beach Safari in South Carolina. Is it a plane, or is it a car? Comment below.
Если не возражаете, пройду через траверс Октябрьского.
Между подкосом и крылом пролетел.
Я просто смотрел, лоб идет прямо на нас.
Plane almost touches ground in person. Gotta love a person with so much enthusiasm about his job.
Buckle it in the front, pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate to manually blow into the tube at your shoulder. We are coming through the cabin to make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Seat backs and tray tables are in the upright and locked position. All carry-on items have been securely stowed, so nothing is blocking access to your main aisle. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is prohibited on board at all times. Federal law prohibits tampering with, safely, or destroying smoke detectors on aircraft lavatories. Federal aviation regulation require passenger compliance with passenger information signs, plates of postcards, and crew members' instructions regarding seatbelts and smoking.
These helicopters look like they are about to mate.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.